Welcome to the advice column for professional use. Today we are talking about Labbel detergent. Labbel is a self-polishing maintenance detergent with neutral pH and low foam formation. Labbel is ideal for cleaning floors, leaving a brilliant microfilm that does not stratify but renews itself with each application, enhancing the luster of the treated surfaces. Its special formula makes it ideal for the cleaning and maintenance of all marble, ceramic, stoneware and terracotta floors. In addition, it is specific for delicate floors treated with wax. Labbel is a good ally against all types of dirt, ideal for cleaning trafficked floors. Let's find out how to use Labbel. Dilute the product in water according to the degree of dirt. For light dirt, dilute 80 ml in 10 liters water. For medium dirt, dilute 150 ml in 10 liters of water. For heavy dirt, dilute 200 ml in 10 liters of water. Let's analyze the correct use of Labbel. Apply the solution to the surfaces to be treated with a rag, mop or washer dryer. Labbel does not request rinsing. Let the surface dry without walking on it. At the end of the treatment, Labbel releases a pleasant lavender note in the environment. Labbel guarantees a product yield per square meter for ordinary cleaning of 0.5 to 2 milliliters.